Hello students, this is Ritvik Dubey, your computer teacher. In this video class, I will discuss about some examples related to increment and decrement operators. That is x plus plus, plus plus x, x minus minus, minus minus x. Okay, you all know that if plus plus operator is used after the operand, it is called as post increment operator, and if the plus plus operator is used before the operand, it is called as pre-increment operator. If the minus minus operator is used after the operand, it is called as post-decrement operator. If the minus minus operator is used before the operand, it is called as pre-decrement operator. Clear? Okay, so let's start. Let me open the examples. Example 1. See, this is example 1. Increment and decrement operators, example 1. See, if the value of y is equal to 14, then find z is equal to plus plus y into y plus 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 5. Suppose if this is the question, okay, if this is the question. Now, how to find the value of z? Listen. So, how to do rough work? Each and everything I will tell, don't worry. Okay. See, what is the initial value of y? Just a minute. What is the initial value of y? The initial value of y is 14. The initial value of y is 14. Yes or no? Okay. Now, let us start executing this. See, plus plus y. What is the meaning of plus plus y? Pre-increment. What is the meaning of pre-increment? First of all, go and increment the value of y. Okay, so it will be 15. It will be 15. Okay. And then write here the incremented value. Okay, right here the incremented value, not the previous value. So 15, I have written 15. Then what is the sign? Into sign. So 15 into, okay, 15 into. What is written over here? Y plus plus. Y plus plus means plus plus operator is used after the operand. So it is post increment. Post increment means afterwards it will increment. First of all, write the current value of, what is the current value of y? It is 15. So write here 15, okay? Because the current value of y is 15, and go and increase the value of y by 1. Okay? Then plus 5, plus 5. Okay, so 15 plus 5 should be in bracket. Since it is given in bracket, so into operator will not get the first chance. First of all, the chance will be given to plus operator because of this round bracket. Okay, so here it will be 15 into, okay, 15 into 5 plus 5, the value of 5 plus 5 is 20, and 15 twos are 30 and one more 0, 300. So we will get 300 as output. ओके, तो याद रखना कि रफ में y का वैल्यू हर समय बढ़ेगा, चाहे प्री इंक्रीमेंट हो या पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट हो, लेकिन वहां पे लिखना कौन सा वैल्यू है वो आप लोगों को डिसाइड करना है। अगर प्री इंक्रीमेंट है तो पहले रफ में जाकर के उसका वैल्यू बढ़ाओ और बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू को लिखो, और अगर पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट है तो पहले वैल्यू को, करंट वैल्यू को लिखो और लिखने के बाद जाकर के बढ़ाओ। बस यही कॉन्सेप्ट है और कुछ नहीं। क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस चेक इन जावा BlueJ this plus plus y. Yes, this is the question. Y is equal to 49. This is the expression. Let me copy this. Now let me open BlueJ. Yes. Control V. Put a semicolon. Let me declare the variable z, int z. What was the value of y? What was the value of y? The value of y was 14. Okay, let me write here 14. And then system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println z, control K, no syntax error. See the output is 300. See the output is 300. Is this clear? Why the output is 300? See, this is the step. Clear na? Okay. What was the expression? If y is equal to 14, then find z is equal to plus y plus 5. Okay. So what was the current value of y? 14. So plus y means go and increase the value of y, means make it 15 and write the incremented value 15. Then n2 within bracket y plus means post increment, means increment will be done after. First of all, you write the value. What is the current value then? 15. And go there and increase the value. After writing 15, go there and increase the value, then plus 5. So 15 into 15 plus 5, 20. That is 300. That is the reason why 300 is coming here. Clear, na? That is the reason why 300 is coming here. Okay. So very simple. Okay. Now let me show you example number 2. Example number 2. State the values of A, B, and C after the execution of the following statement. Suppose the statement is A is equal to A plus 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 minus minus B plus C plus plus, where A is equal to 12, B is equal to 13, and C is equal to 11. So how to do this? The question arises how to do this. See, what is the current value of A? The value of A is 12. What is the initial value of B? It is 13. What is the initial value of C? It is 11. Clear? Like this, you have to do the rough work. Then we will write that is equal to A plus plus. What is the meaning of A plus plus? A plus plus means post increment. Post increment means, first of all, write the value of A here, 12. Go and increase the value of A by 1. Make it 13. Then what is written here? Plus. So you will write here plus. Then minus minus B. What is minus minus B? Pre-decrement. First of all, go and decrease the value of B by 1. So make it 12 and write the decremented value. Okay? Then plus. After plus, what is there? C plus plus. C plus plus means post increment. Okay, increment will be done afterwards. First of all, write the value of C, 11. और फिर उसके बाद जा करके उसका वैल्यू को बढ़ाना है. तो अगर आप लोग ध्यान दे रहे होगे तो आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा होगा कि बढ़ तो हर केस में रहे, चाहे प्री रहे चाहे पोस्ट रहे, लेकिन यहां पर लिखना कौन सा वैल्यू वो ध्यान देना है. यहां पर बढ़ा करके लिखना है या लिख करके फिर जा करके बढ़ाना है, वही कॉन्सेप्ट और कुछ नहीं है. क्लियर? ओके ना? Okay, now that is equal to 12 plus 12. What is the value of 12 plus 12? It is 24. So 24 plus 11. What is 24 plus 11? 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3, 35. So what is 35? A is equal to 35. So 13 will be replaced by 35. 13 will be replaced by 35. So after executing this statement, the value of A will be 35, value of B will be 12, and value of C will be 12. Okay. So in output, we should get the value of A. Suppose if we are printing A, we will get 13, 12, and again 12. Okay, let us check. A is equal to 12, B is equal to 13, C is equal to 11. Okay. Int A is equal to 12, int B is equal to 13, int C is equal to 11. Now let me print Let me give semicolon here. Yes. Now let me print the value of A. Copy this, paste it here, paste it. Now what is this? This is B, this is C. Okay. Now let me confirm the values of A, B and C. 12, 13 and 11. Na? 12, 13 and 11. Yes, 12, 13 and 11. So compile. What was the output? The output was 13, 12 and 12 in my case. Let us check. 13, 12 and 12 should come. Sorry, 35. And here we are getting 13, 35. Na? See, the value of A is 35. Sorry. The value of A is 35. See, the value of A is 35. Clear? The value of A is 35. Okay, clear na? Then let us go to example 3. Let us go to example 3. Yes. Example 3. State the value of A, B and C after the execution of the following statement. Okay, no issue. See, what is the current value of A? The current value of A is 12. What is the current value of B? The current value of B is 13. What is the current value of C? The current value or initial value of C is 11. Clear? Now let us do the rough work. That is equal to B plus plus. What is B plus plus? Means post increment operator. First of all, write the value of B. What is the value of B? 13. Right here 13. Okay, go there and increase the value by 1. Go there and then increase the value by 1. Then plus sign. Write plus sign. Plus plus A means pre-increment. Pre-increment means पहले increment करो जा करके, यानी कि A का वैल्यू 12 से 13 बनाओ और incremented वैल्यू को यहाँ पे लिखो. Incremented वैल्यू को यहाँ पे लिखो. And then into 2. Okay, now you tell which operator has more priority, the plus operator or into operator. Into operator has more priority. Okay, into operator has more priority than plus operator. So 13 into 2, 26. 13 2s are 26. Okay, so 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 plus 2, it is 39. Okay, 39. So 39 is stored in which variable? B variable. So 14 will be replaced by 39. 14 will be replaced by 39. So in the output screen, if we are printing the values of A, B and C, okay, serially, we will get in place of A, we will get 13. In place of B, we will get 39. And in place of C, we will get 11. Now let us check, okay? Let us check. Example 3, this one, okay. Yes, let me change this statement. Give one semicolon, control K. Yes, what was the output in my case? The output was 13, 39 and 11. 13, 39 and 11. Okay, let me check. See, 13, 39 and 11. Okay. Clear? What is the output? 13, 39 and 11. Clear, na? Okay. Now, let us go to example number 4. Example number 4. Open with. Okay, see, this is example 4. C is equal to C plus 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 A plus plus into plus plus B. ठीक है, अब इसको हम लोग करते हैं. See, what is the initial value of A? The initial value of A is 12. What is the initial value of B? The initial value of B is 13. What is the initial value of C? The initial value of C is 11. Okay, that is equal to C प्लस प्लस, व्हाट इज C प्लस प्लस? पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, मतलब बाद में बढ़ाओ। पोस्ट मतलब बाद में बढ़ाओ, पहले C का वैल्यू यहां पर लिख दो। C का वैल्यू क्या? 11, राइट हियर 11, देन प्लस A प्लस प्लस, यहां पे भी पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट है, मतलब A का वैल्यू, हाँ यही गलती करते हैं बहुत बच्चे लोग, यहाँ पे 11 तो आपने लिख दिया लेकिन यहाँ पे फिर जाकर के बढ़ाया नहीं। तो C प्लस प्लस मीन्स पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, मतलब बाद में इंक्रीमेंट होगा, लेकिन C का इनिशियल वैल्यू लिखने के बाद जाकर के बढ़ाना तो जरूर है। मेक इट 12, then plus, okay, A plus plus, A plus plus means post increment. Write the value of A here, write the value of A and then go there and increase its value by 1, okay, into, okay, into plus plus B. What is plus plus B? Pre increment, पहले जाकर के इंक्रीज करो, पहले जाकर के इंक्रीज करो और इंक्रीमेंटेड वैल्यू को लिखो, यानी कि 14 को लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे। Now you tell me which operator has more priority, plus operator or into operator? Into operator. So 12 into 14, okay, but we will write 11 plus 12 into 14. So what is 12 into 14? 12 into 14, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, okay, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. So it is 8, 4 plus 2 6, it is 168. So here I will write 168, okay, 168, that is equal to 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 1 7, so 179. The output will be 179. Let us check, let us check. Wait. So 179 is stored in which variable? C variable. So this 12 will be replaced by 179. So in the output screen, if you are printing the values of A, B and C serially, you will get 13 in the first line because the value of A is 13 and the current value of B is 14, and C value you will get 179. 179. Okay, let us check. Clear na? So this is the question only na? C plus 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 A plus 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 B. Yes. So the output should be 13, 14 and 179. Okay, let me compile it. No syntax error. You can see 13, 14 and 179. Okay, 13, 14 and 179. Clear? Okay. Now let us discuss example 5. Open with Paint. See, now the example is B is equal to B plus 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 B plus C plus 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 A. Okay. Yes. So what is the current value of A? The current value of A is, or the initial value of A is 12. What is the initial value of B? It is 13. What is the initial value of C? It is 11. Okay. Now let us execute is equal to B plus plus. What is B plus plus? Post increment, मतलब बाद में increase करना. पहले B का वैल्यू लिखो. B का वैल्यू क्या है? 13. लेकिन लिखने के जस्ट बाद जा करके उसको इंक्रीज करना मत भूलना. ओके, देन प्लस 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 बी मतलब प्री इंक्रीमेंट, पहले जाकर के इंक्रीज करो. इंक्रीज करने का मतलब क्या हो गया? 14 चेंज हो जाएगा 15 में, और फिर बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू को लिखना है, यानी कि यहाँ पे 15 हो जाएगा. प्लस सी प्लस प्लस मतलब पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, बाद में इंक्रीमेंट करना. पहले सी का करंट वैल्यू क्या? 11. 11 को लिख दो और लिखने के बाद जाओ और जाकर के बढ़ाओ. ओके, देन प्लस प्लस ए मींस प्री इंक्रीमेंट, यानी कि पहले इंक्रीज करो जाकर के ए का वैल्यू, मेक इट 13 और इंक्रीमेंटेड वैल्यू को यहां पे लिखो. ठीक है, अब सारे के सारे ऑपरेटर तो प्लस हैं, सब ऐड होंगे और क्या. 13 प्लस 15 प्लस 11 प्लस 3. ओके, सो 3 4 4 प्लस 5 9 10 11 12. 12. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 52. Okay, 52. 52 will be the, oh, no, 52 will go to variable b. So this 15 will be replaced by 52. Why? Because you have assigned everything to b. Yes or no? Everything is this statement. Clear? So the in output, if you are displaying the values of a, b and c, what you will get? You will get 13 in the first line. Okay, 52 in the second line and 12 in the third line. Let us check. Okay, let us check. Compile. One round bracket is extra, no? Okay. Was there any round bracket in the question? No. Okay. So compile, no syntax error. Then what is the output? See, the output is 13, 52 and 12. 13, 52 and 12. 13, 52 and 12. See, 13, 52 and 12. Okay, the output is 13, 52 and 12. Clear? The concept is clear, na? It is very, very easy. Okay. Now, let us discuss example number 6. Open with Paint. Now, the question is minus minus a plus b plus 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 a plus minus minus b into c plus plus, where a is equal to 12, b is equal to 13, and c is equal to 11. Okay. Now, how to solve this? Listen. See, what is the initial value of a? It is 12. See, I am teaching you how to do the rough work, okay? The initial value of b is 13. The initial value of c is 11. In a similar fashion, you also have to do the rough work, okay? That is equal to, see, minus minus a. Minus minus a means pre-decrement. पहले जाकर के decrease करो. यानी कि 12 will be decreased by 1, so it will become 11, and use here the decreased value, that is 11. Then plus. Now what is b plus plus? B plus plus means post increment. बाद में increase करना. पहले b का जो value है 13, उस 13 को लिख दो. Okay. Then plus. Plus plus a. प्लस प्लस ए मींस, हाँ, आप देखो यहाँ पे गलती, यही गलती होता है. आपने b प्लस प्लस के समय 13 यानी कि b का इनिशियल वैल्यू तो लिख दिया, लेकिन जाकर के बढ़ाया नहीं और आप आगे बढ़ गए. ये गलती है. 13 लिखने के बाद b प्लस प्लस है ना, इसलिए 13 लिखने के बाद इसको फिर बढ़ाना भी है. ठीक है. बढ़ने की प्रक्रिया हर समय चलेगी, चाहे वो प्री इंक्रीमेंट हो चाहे पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट हो, या घटने की प्रक्रिया दोनों समय चलेगी, प्री डिक्रीमेंट में भी पोस्ट डिक्रीमेंट में भी. लेकिन यहां पे रफ में आई मीन कैलकुलेशन करते समय कौन सा वैल्यू लिखना है उसमें दिमाग लगाना है. ठीक है. करंट वैल्यू लिखना है कि बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू लिखना है कि घटा हुआ वैल्यू लिखना है, उसमें दिमाग लगाना है. तो बी प्लस प्लस था, बी प्लस प्लस मतलब पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, बाद में इंक्रीज होगा. तो बी का पहले वाला वैल्यू क्या था, 13 लिख दिया और जाकर के फिर उसके बाद बढ़ाया. देन प्लस प्लस ए मींस प्री इंक्रीमेंट. प्री इंक्रीमेंट मींस पहले जाओ और जो भी वैल्यू है वो बढ़ेगा. तो 11 फिर से बढ़ करके 12 हो जाएगा और बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू को यहां पे लिखना है, दैट इज 12. देन प्लस माइनस माइनस बी. व्हाट इज माइनस माइनस बी? यानी कि प्री डिक्रीमेंट. पहले जाओ और बी के वैल्यू को रिड्यूस करो बाय 1 और फिर रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू जो है उसको लिखो 13. फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ठीक है. सी प्लस प्लस मतलब पोस्ट व्हाट, पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट. बाद में इंक्रीज करना, पहले सी का इनिशियल वैल्यू यहां पे लिख दो, लेकिन लिखने के बाद जाकर के उसको जरूर बढ़ाओ. 12. क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस कैलकुलेट दिस. Let us calculate this. Now you all know, see, plus operator will not get the first chance. Okay, here into operator will get the first chance because 13 into 11 or 12 plus 13 is not written within round bracket. So into operator will get the first chance. So 13 into 11. What is 13 into 11? 13 into 11. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. 143. Okay, 143. So it is 11 plus 13 plus 12. So 3 plus 2, 5, 6. 6. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 36. It is 36 plus 13 into 11, it is 143. 143. Okay, so 143 plus 36. 143 plus 36, it is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 179. The value is 179. Please focus that the value 179, this result is getting stored in which variable? A variable. So this 12 will get replaced by 179. So in the output screen, if you will print, in the output screen, if you will print the values of A, B and C serially, so in place of A, you will get 179 in the first line. In place of B, you will get 13. And in place of C, you will get 12. You will get 12. Okay, let us check. Let us check. Control K, not a statement. Okay, I have made some. Let me copy this. Now I will paste it. Control K, expected. So let us give semicolon, Control K, no syntax error. Okay, clear. Now what is the output that we have calculated? 179, 13 and 12. 179, 13 and 12. 179, 13 and 12. See, 179, 13 and 12. This is the output only. Yes or no? Okay. See, 179, 13 and 12. 179, 13 and 12. Clear? So the concept is very easy. Please practice all these. Okay, after watching the video, or you can pause the video and practice it yourself. Okay, after listening or after observing one example, pause the video and practice. Then only you will get the concept. Okay. Okay, now listen. Example 7. Okay, example 7. See, this is the question. A plus is equal to A plus plus B minus C plus plus. So what is the meaning of A plus equals to? This is the compound assignment operator. What type of operator is plus is equal to? This is the compound assignment operator. If you do not know about compound assignment operator, let me discuss it first. Okay, let me discuss it first. Let me create a class, give any name. Control A, backspace. See, PUBLIC, public class demo. Okay, public class demo. PUBLIC, public, STATIC, static, VOID, void, main, capital STR, ING, string, array space ARGS. Okay, and then let me write here int A equals to 10. Okay, and then let me write here A plus equals to 20. Okay, now if I will print the value of A, what I will get, you know, I will get 30. I will get 30. Say 30. Okay, sir, how? Because I have used the compound assignment operator. I have used the compound assignment operator. So A plus is equal to 20 is same as A is equal to A plus 20. Okay, A plus is equal to 20 means A is equal to A plus 20. Similarly, if I write A divide is equal to, suppose 2, a divide is equal to 2. So it will be like what? A is equal to a divided by 2. A is equal to a divided by 2. So here plus is equal to, minus is equal to, into is equal to, divided is equal to, modulus is equal to. All these kinds of operators are called as compound assignment operators. Okay, are called as compound assignment operators. Clear? Clear now? So in this case, we will get 5. Why? Because a is equal to a by 2. So a, what is the value of a? 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Yes or no? So the value of a will be 5. See, no syntax error. The value of a will be 5. The value of a will be 5. So these are compound assignment operators. These are compound assignment operators. Okay. The compound assignment operators are, see, if you are writing, suppose int a equals to, suppose 50. Okay. Now if you are writing a plus is equal to 2, a minus is equal to 2, a into is equal to 2, a divided is equal to 2, a modulus is equal to 2. Okay. So what does it mean? A plus is equal to 2. It means what? It means a is equal to a plus 2. A is equal to a plus 2. Okay. When you write a minus is equal to 2, when you write a minus is equal to 2, it means a is equal to a minus 2. It means a is equal to a minus 2. Clear? Now, if you write a into is equal to 2, it means a is equal to a into 2. Okay. When you write a divided is equal to 2, a divided is equal to 2, it means a is equal to a divided by 2. Now, when you write a modulus is equal to 2, when you write a modulus is equal to 2, so it means a is equal to a modulus 2. A is equal to a modulus 2. Okay, so in this case, we can say plus is equal to, minus is equal to, into is equal to, divided is equal to, modulus is equal to are compound assignment operators. Okay, so we can write here the compound assignment operators are, here the compound assignment operators are what? The compound assignment operators are plus equals to, minus equals to, okay, into is equal to, divided is equal to, okay, and then modulus is equal to. See, these are compound assignment operators. Okay, these are compound assignment operators. What? Plus is equal to, minus is equal to, into is equal to, divided is equal to, and modulus is equal to, These are compound assignment operators. These are compound assignment operators. So a plus is equal to 2 means a is equal to a plus 2. A minus is equal to 2 means a is equal to a minus 2. A into is equal to 2 means a is equal to a into 2. A divided by is equal to 2, that is equal to a is equal to a by 2. A modulus is equal to 2 means a is equal to a modulus 2. Is this clear? Is this clear? So these are compound assignment operators. Now, see, yes, students. So a plus is equal to a plus plus. What is plus is equal to? It is compound assignment operator, also called as shorthand operator. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to write it like this, which implies a plus is equal to means a is equal to a plus. A plus is equal to means a is equal to a plus. A plus what? The complete expression you have to write. So a plus, then you have to write a plus 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 b. Okay, plus plus b minus c plus plus minus c plus plus. Okay, so forget the first expression. Okay, just focus on the second expression, because a plus is equal to means a is equal to a plus. A plus what? The complete expression. Okay, at the right hand side. So it became a is equal to a plus b minus c plus plus. Now see, the initial value of a is 12. The initial value of b is 13. The initial value of c is 11. Clear? Now, in place of a, I will write the value of a, that is 12. That is 12. Okay. Then plus operator. A plus plus. What is the meaning of a plus plus? Post increment operator. मतलब बाद में इंक्रीमेंट होगा. a का जो वैल्यू है 12 उसको लिख दो. ओके और फिर जा करके बढ़ाना मत भूलो. ओके सो इट विल बिकम 13. इट विल बिकम 13. देन प्लस 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 बी मींस प्री इंक्रीमेंट. पहले जाओ और बी के वैल्यू को बढ़ाओ 14 और बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू को यहां पे लिखो 14. देन माइनस सी प्लस प्लस. सी प्लस प्लस मीन्स पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर. पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर मीन्स बाद में बढ़ाना. पहले सी का जो वैल्यू है उसको लिख दो और फिर जाकर के उसको फिर बढ़ाओ. क्लियर? क्लियर ना? देन दैट इज इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 12 24 plus 4 20 38. Okay, 38. Okay, 38 minus 11. 38 minus 11. So 8 minus 1 it is 7. 3 minus 1 it is 27. So 27, the value 27 will be stored in which variable? A variable. Okay, so A will become 27. A will become 27. Now if you print the values of A, B and C, if you print the values of A, B and C, you will get 27. Okay, then in place of B you will get 14, in place of C you will get 12. Okay, let us check. Okay, compile, no syntax error. Right click over it. Let me check the output. So it is 27, 14 and 12. 27, 14 and 12. You can see. The output is 27, 14 and 12. And you have calculated 27, 14 and 12 only. Clear? Clear, na? So this is easy. Now, let us do example number 8. Okay, example number 8. Yes, example number 8. Yes. See, B plus is equal to means here also we have used the compound assignment operator. Here also we have used the compound assignment operator. Plus is equal to is the compound assignment operator. So just change it. Okay, just change it. Right here B plus is equal to means B is equal to B plus. B is equal to B plus. Then what? Minus minus C. Okay, then plus. What? Plus plus C. You have to write the complete expression. Plus plus C. Okay, then plus. What? A plus plus. A plus plus. And then plus. Okay, plus B plus plus. Plus B plus plus. Okay, so B plus is equal to means B is equal to B plus. B plus what? The complete expression given at the right hand side. Clear? So B is equal to B plus minus minus C plus plus C plus A plus plus B plus plus within bracket. Okay. So it is of no use. The round bracket is just given to confuse you, nothing else. See, what is the value of A? The initial value of A is 12. What is the initial value of B? The initial value of B is 13. What is the initial value of C? The initial value of C is 11. The initial value of C is 11. Okay. So that is equal to B. What is the value of B? It is 13. Just write 13 here. Then plus minus minus C. This is C. Okay, this is C. Minus minus C. What is minus minus C? It is pre-decrement. मतलब पहले जाओ और जा करके वैल्यू को घटाओ. तो घटने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा 10. और फिर घटा हुआ वैल्यू को लिखो, यानी कि डिक्रीमेंटेड वैल्यू यू हैव टू राइट हियर 10. Okay, then plus प्लस प्लस सी मीन्स प्री इंक्रीमेंट, ठीक है। प्री इंक्रीमेंट मतलब पहले जाकर के इंक्रीज करो, यानी कि फिर से ये 10 क्या हो जाएगा 11 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और इंक्रीमेंटेड वैल्यू 11 को लिखेंगे। देन प्लस ए प्लस प्लस, ए प्लस प्लस मतलब पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, यानी कि बाद में इंक्रीज करना। पहले ए का जो भी वैल्यू उसको लिख दो यहाँ पे 12, लेकिन जाओ और जाकर के उसको जरूर बढ़ाओ, तो बढ़ करके कितना हो जाएगा 13। देन प्लस बी प्लस प्लस, what is b plus plus means post increment operator, okay। first of all write the value of b, है ना, क्योंकि पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट मतलब बाद में इंक्रीमेंट होगा, पहले वैल्यू लिख दो फिर जाओ और जाकर के उसके वैल्यू को बढ़ा दो, मींस इट विल बिकम 14। दैट इज इक्वल टू 13 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13, okay। so 13 13 26, 13 3 is 38, 38 48, 58 15 59, okay 59. So 59, the value 59 will be stored in B only. Okay, so the value of B will become 59. The value of B will become 59. Clear? Now, if we will display the values of A, B, and C, if we will display the values of A, B, and C, we will get 13, okay, 59, 59, and 11. Let us check. Let us check. Control K, no syntax error, close, and let us call the main method. 13, 59, and 11. You can see it is matching, okay. 13, 13, 13, 59, 59, 11, 11. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, so it's very easy. The thing is that you need to concentrate while solving. Then let us do example number 9. Let us do example number 9. See, here we have C plus is equal to A minus minus plus minus minus A plus B plus plus into plus plus B. Okay, let us try this also. Okay. Let us try. Which implies this is compound assignment operator. C plus is equal to means C is equal to C plus. C plus is equal to means C is equal to C plus, then the complete thing. What is the complete thing at the right side? A minus minus plus minus minus A. Okay. Then plus B plus plus within bracket. It is given within bracket just to confuse you. Okay. Then into. Okay. Into plus plus B. Here also plus plus B is given within bracket just to confuse you. It is meaningless. Anyway, let us start. But what are the initial values of A, B, and C? The initial value of A is 12. The initial value of B is 13 and the initial value of C is 11. Okay, C is 11. Now C plus means it is 11. 11 plus. Okay, C plus means 11 plus. Then A minus minus means पोस्ट डिक्रीमेंट, बाद में डिक्रीज करना। पहले ए का वैल्यू क्या है 12, 12 को यहाँ पे लिखो और लिखने के जस्ट बाद वहां पे जाओ और जाकर के वैल्यू को घटा दो। ओके, देन प्लस माइनस माइनस ए मींस प्री डिक्रीमेंट। प्री डिक्रीमेंट मतलब पहले जाओ और जाकर के इसका वैल्यू को रिड्यूस करो, यानी कि 11 है तो वो 10 हो जाएगा और रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू को यहाँ पे लिखना है, यानी कि 10 लिखना है। प्लस बी प्लस प्लस मींस पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, बाद में इंक्रीमेंट करो, पहले बी का वैल्यू को लिख दो, यानी कि 13। ओके, लेकिन जाकर के बढ़ाना मत भूलो, मेक इट 14। ओके, इनटू प्लस बी। व्हाट इज प्लस बी? प्री इंक्रीमेंट, पहले जाओ और जाकर के उसके वैल्यू को बढ़ा दो, जाकर के उसके वैल्यू को बढ़ा दो, ठीक है, और फिर बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू को यहां पे लिखो 15। ओके, so the priority of multiplication is more than the priority of plus, so 13 into 15 will be done first. Okay, so 11 plus 12 plus 10, so 11 11 22 23 33, this will be 33, 33 plus 13 into 15. 13 into 15. 13 into 15. 5 threes are 15. 1, 5. 5 ones are 5, 6. Okay. 1 threes are 3. 1 ones are 1. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 195. 195. So 195. That is equal to 195 plus 33. 195 plus 33, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is 2. So 228. 228. Okay, 228. So 228 will be stored in which variable? Will be stored in C variable. So 11 will become what? 228. 11 will become 228. I mean the value of C will become 228. The value of A will become 10. B's value is 15. So when you will display the output, I mean the values of A, B and C, in place of A you will get 10, in place of B you will get 15, in place of C you will get 228. 228. Let us check. Okay, let us check. Let me copy this. Control K, no syntax error. See 10, 15, 228. 10, 15, 228. Just match it. Just match it. Okay. See 10, 10, 15, 15, 228, 228. Clear? Okay. So it's very easy. Most of the students are confused in between increment and decrement operators, okay, and their functionality: post increment, pre increment, post decrement, pre decrement. Okay, so this is the concept. This is how you need to do the rough work and evaluate the correct answer. Okay, get the correct answer. Now the last example, let us go through the last example. Okay. See, here we can write, which implies A plus is equal to, means it is compound assignment operator. It is compound assignment operator. Clear? So I will write here A is equal to A plus. A plus is equal to means A is equal to A plus. A plus what? Whatever is given at the right hand side. So you will have to write A plus plus plus, within bracket you will have to write plus plus B. Okay, plus plus B divided by 2. Clear na? So A plus is equal to means A is equal to A plus. Okay, and then A plus what? The whatever is given at the right hand side. Now, what are the initial values of A? The initial value of A is 12, B is 13, and C is 11. Clear? Now, let me write A. What is the value of A? 12. Let me write 12. Plus A plus plus. What is the meaning of A plus plus? Post increment, बाद में increment होगा. Post मतलब बाद, pre मतलब पहले. तो plus plus बाद में है कि, तो post increment बाद में increase होगा. ठीक है? तो A का करंट वैल्यू पहले लिख दो यहाँ पे 12 और फिर जाकर के तुरंत वहां पे इंक्रीज कर दो. ठीक है? देन प्लस 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 बी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लस प्लस बी. ओके, देखो यहां पर प्लस प्लस ऑपरेटर का ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी है डिवीजन ऑपरेटर से, तो पहले प्लस प्लस बी होगा, है ना? आया समझ में? तो प्लस प्लस बी मींस व्हाट? प्री इंक्रीमेंट. प्री इंक्रीमेंट मतलब जाकर के उसके वैल्यू को बढ़ाओ, मेक इट 14 और बढ़ा हुआ वैल्यू को यहाँ पे लिखो डिवाइडेड बाई 2. अब सबको पता है कि प्लस और डिवीजन ऑपरेटर में प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा किसका है? डिवीजन का प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा, तो ये पहले होगा. ओके, क्लियर ना? नाउ दैट इज इक्वल टू 12 plus 12, it is 24. 12 plus 12, 24, plus 14 divided by 2, it is 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 1, 3, 31. Yes or no? 31. So the value 31 is getting stored In which variable? A variable. So A will become 31. So in this expression, we have done nothing with C. So the value of C remains same. So if we are displaying the values of A, B, and C in the output screen, so in place of A, we will get 31. In place of B, we will get 14. And in place of C, we will get 11. Okay, let us check. Let us check. So this is the last example. Okay. Control K, no syntax error. Okay, let me call the main method to see the output. 31, 14, and 11. 31, you can see 31, 31, 14, 14, 11, 11. Is this clear? Okay. So we are done with many examples. I want you all to revise this video once again, practice yourself. Okay, you can create your own questions, own examples, and practice. Okay, if there is any doubt, please ask me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.